So I just did this complicated table saw cut, 12-foot long beveled rip on PVC. I'm helping out a guy doing some restoration. He's replacing some rotted trim work with the exterior PVC. I've never cut this stuff before. It's kind of like a foam. It's not solid plastic. It's about as heavy as hardwood and very flexible. It actually doesn't break. I tried to break this piece to put it in the trash bin, but it just kind of smushes over. Kind of weird stuff. But just wanted to show my setup. I have this adjustable roller, which is really nice to have in the shop. It's a 3-in-1. You got the solid support, ball bearings, and then the directional roller, which is good for table saw feeding. And I got this magnetic feather board, which I plan on improving on. I made this a long time ago. It's just got some hardwood shims for the feather board part, and it just sticks right onto the cast iron pretty good. The blade I'm using is actually a chop saw blade that's really dull, and I found that the dull blade works better with the PVC. The sharp blades will dig in too much, it tends to chip out, but the dull blade seems to work good. And the chop saw crosscut blade has a low angle on the tooth, which is better for scraping. And so I got a pretty good cut on this. Just wanted to show what it looks like. It's not glass smooth, but it'll probably clean up with some primer and sanding. So that's what I did. It's nice to have the outfeed. I can rip a full 12-foot board without additional support on the outfeed, which is good. Yeah, PVC. Maybe I'll make furniture out of this stuff. That would be interesting. Save on finish time. Do a whole kitchen out of it. That would be funny. PVC kitchen. Anyways, I gotta go to the post office. And Halloween's coming soon. So is the train. Fall's here. Rainy day. Hey, look, there's Joe. I don't know if you can see him over there. You better hurry up, Joe. Train's coming. All wet, Joe.